Hey traders, Abhishek Patel side. I welcome you in the very new video of Nirvana Trading Academy. So let's discuss about my today's trades, right? So, where is my first trade? Yeah, right here. If you will see 12500C mid cap Nifty, see the timing 10:48, see the price 66, entered at 66, exited at 85. Now let's talk about the reason. What was the reason? There are a bunch of trades. I will discuss about every one in a very detailed and professional manner. First of all, please see. This is a downside impulse, right? Now what we have to do, we have to buy above the second retracement. This is advanced Fibonacci. So we have to buy above the second retracement. So I simply punched my order right here and exited my order right here. Alright. Moreover, we are having our custom indicator constant. Now why I exited? Because this is the extension, this is the target. Very simple. Now let's don't waste our time on a single trade analysis, right? Now let's talk about the second trade. Everything in a very transparent manner. 24350P, if you will see the price 191, if you will see the timing 1252. So I entered at 1252, 191 is the price, exited nearby 287 at the time of 1258, just 6-minute trade and somewhere around 96 points profit in options. Now what was the reason? Why I punched the order? That's the main question. If you will see, this is the first retracement. We are having our custom indicator constant. Moreover, the price is sustaining above the first retracement. Means the energy is about to just gain. Yeah, the candles gained some energy. Moreover, if you will see something on the option chart, spot chart, look at this. How much tiny candles we are having right here, and this one, a brutal dominating bear candle. So I got some insight. I got some confirmation that, all right, there's the one to take some charge. So I simply punched my order right here in this candle and exited my order nearby to nearby at 1258 at this area, at this extension, right? At this extension. Now let's talk about the third trade. That is the last trade. It was a little bit risky, but I will discuss about it also. This watch out the logic, right? Now let me show you the trade. See, it's 24300P. See the timing, 1501 candle close. All right, 1501 candle close. What was the price? Just a second. From 177 to 198, just 3 minutes straight, or let's say 2 minutes straight. All right. Now, what was the reason? Let me discuss about it. It's 24300C. Sorry, P. All right. Just a second. Here we are on the charts. See, this the first retracement is broken. Moreover, we are having our custom indicator constant. The brutal close we got right here. Moreover, if you will see on the premium spot chart, the breakout of this range, right? Why should I will not punch the order? I simply punched my order right here and exited right here at the side. Very simple. So if you want to learn, you can simply WhatsApp us. I will mention the number in the description box also. Moreover, I will mention my Telegram ID also. So you can simply connect with us. That's all I have to say. Thank you. Thank you so much. Jai Siya Ram.